Making powerful recommendations. Master the art of persuasion in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today, we're going to dive into the subject of making recommendations. It's a critical skill to have, especially in academic and professional contexts where the right choice of words can lead to very different outcomes. So, let's unlock the power of appropriate language for making recommendations. Before we delve into specific phrases and language structures, let's make sure we understand the basics. A recommendation is essentially a suggestion or advice that you give to someone about what you think they should do. Recommendations can be casual or formal, depending on the situation and audience. It's essential to always be clear, specific, and respectful when making recommendations. Casual recommendations are often used among peers, friends, or in less formal professional settings. Here are some common phrases. 1. You should consider. 2. How about trying? 3. You could look into. 4. It might be a good idea to remember to be direct but polite when making casual recommendations. Formal recommendations are more common in academic or professional contexts, where a more structured language is expected. Some common phrases include 1. I would recommend. 2. It is advised that. 3. You may want to consider. 4. It would be beneficial to. In formal contexts, try to use passive voice or modal verbs to sound more diplomatic and less direct. The framing of your recommendation also matters. Whether you're proposing a new idea, a change of plan, or suggesting an improvement, your message should be clear and meaningful. Here's a simple structure. 1. Identify the problem or situation. 2. Suggest a solution or action. 3. Explain the benefits. Remember, always clearly state your recommendation and provide convincing reasons to support it. Finally, to become a master at making recommendations, practice is key. Try incorporating these phrases and strategies into your daily conversations. Whether it's a group project at school, a meeting at work, or a discussion with friends, there's always an opportunity to practice. And that's it for today's session. We hope this guide on using appropriate language for making recommendations has been helpful. Remember, the power of persuasion lies in your words. So, choose them wisely. Until next time, keep learning and practicing.